Hi guys, good morning USA and good evening Philippines. Ayan, what are you doing, anak? Ayan, meron kami. Ha? What's that?
Plums.
Oh, plums guys. Bibili kami ng plums. And ito, magtitinda to siya. Ito yung mga ano niya, mga pili niya. And the watermelon right there.
I'll give it to that guy.
Yeah.
The guy, he came and told me that he took your last breath.
So,
Right.
we don't have plums na,
Let me get
so
watermelon. I'll give one.
ayan, bili kami ng plums. And then, come on baby, come. Yeah, and then tomato. The tomato. This one, yeah. No, that's not tomato. The tomato is, yeah, red and green.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Huh?
Come on, this way. This way.
Bye.
Onion! Yung anak ko maroon, alam niya, onion. This way.
Bye.
Onion! Yung anak ko maroon, alam niya, onion. What is this, anak? Onion, good. Kakainom niya na yan ng chocolate.
No apple.
Oh, cumbers daw, guys.
No, it's one
Cumbers.
That's the last apple. Right?
Yeah, cucumber.
They just binding them.
What is this, anak?
They bought all my
What is
peaches
this?
and all my apples.
What is
That's
this?
all I had yet. Okay, this is what we're going
Tomatoes.
to green tomatoes.
A
too. They real
tomato.
good.
Yes, oy. Okay. So, yung anak ko, alam niya. So, what? Ayan, tapos yung binili na. Yun yung pinili ng asawa ko. Ng watermelon niya. Musakapod ka?
You got $5 change?
Ayan, yung watermelon niya. Give me a second, give me a second. Akit na yung anak ko.
You know what I mean?
So, yung anak siya. So, diba? May cucumber, green pepper. Ayan, maliit na tomato doon. At saka,
5 minutes.
squash yun.
Look like going to church.
Squash yun.
Hear me?
Right,
I always go to church late. Get right into the sermon, man.
right, getting the service.
All this
Because all that.
hollering and everything, man. Those...
Very much. Ito namin.
Watermelon.
And a watermelon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a big watermelon.
Watermelon?
We're going to give this to Mama.
You want to cook one for
You
you?
like that butter, though?
Huh?
Didn't I give y'all that Amish butter? You getting any of that from?
Long time ago. I didn't get any recently.
Okay, I got some.
Alright, next time.
Time. Heavy, my love. Diyos ko yung anak ko katapos.
You didn't get out, man?
Yeah, I got it.
Back up.
Looks like the same of our truck, ha?
Yeah.
Maybe Craig, he wants some.
You go.
Ayan guys, ha? Ito yung nabili namin. Nabili namin. So, how much we pay for all of it? How much we pay for?
$35.
You'll see. $35. Just only 2 watermelon. Just only.
Put this one.
Yeah. Up to you. It's still hot though.
Yeah.
Hot eh. Ganyan lang naman talaga guys. Yan, just only ha. And then, ito lang binili namin. It's 35. Look at, ala! Agoy! Put inside of the trunk because we're going to give to Mama later. So, yeah, we're going to give to, bigay namin yun sa aking mahal na mother-in-law, ang isa na melon. So why you buy a lot of red pepper and look at,
Yeah, we need green pepper to cook.
but look at this, some of them
Oh, he
are,
told me, give them to me cheap. Give them to me.
spicy daw, spicy.
Yeah, I just know.
Spicy.
The remote.
What is this? It's overripe.
Let me see.
It's overripe. Look, it's too soft. Oh my god. What is that? What is, oh, see, look at this.
That's plum. It's plum.
Yeah. Plums na lang, nak. Plums na lang. Plum na lang, nak. This one is ripe na rin siya. Para siyang nagiging, ano na, lumalabas na yung mga sugar. Sweet kasi siya. Sweet. Sweet kasi siya. Ayan. Ayaw maglagay ng vinegar. I mean, asin. Okay. And then this one. So, honestly, this is, nabili lang daw ng asawa ko ng chip. O, diba? Yeah, onion. Diba? Yung anak ko, enjoy siya.
Converse.
Oh, Converse. Well, at least, alam niya kung ano yung hinahawakan niya. Hindi niya nabanggit ng buo ng malinaw. At least, alam niya. Diba? Diba? Alam niya, cucumber. Cucumber. Yan. Oh my God. What happened? So, antayin lang namin yung asawa ko maglagay sa trunk namin. Pwede naman ako maglagay. May hawak kasi akong camera. May hawak akong camera. Kaya, ang asawa ko maglagay. And then, the trunk namin, sasakyan namin yun, Ito yung sinasakyan namin pag summer. So, ito naman, ang sinasakyan namin, pag once pupunta kami ng junk shop, yan yung truck namin. And then, yung isa, yan yung sinasakyan namin. Kailan lang din yan. Kasi ang ginagamit namin, diba? O, diba? Alam mo, maraming sasakyan. Iba na, kasi yung iba, yung sasakyan namin ginagamit namin for winter, iba yun. Kasi pag winter kasi guys, hindi ka pwedeng gumamit pwede naman kami gumamit niyan, pero yung kasi yung daan, slippery ba yung madulas ba, gawa ng snow, yan diba? Syempre kahit naman nag-snow, pwede rin magaganitong araw. Yeah. Ha?
That was right.
What?
That is so soft.
So, ayun guys. Ayun lang ang maano namin. But I think I cannot eat that.
What?
It's too soft.
But it's not short.
It's like, it's ripe, but it's ripe.
You like everything that's hard?
You know me, I like soft.
You like hard? Okay.
You know me, I like soft.
You want one? Yeah.
Ayan guys.
Bite.
Say thank you, Daddy.
You like it? Sweet. Say yum yum. Show mommy.
Yummy? Yummy? You like it? Ano lang siya?
Yeah,
Pwede mo siyang
alright.
sipsipin.
You don't like it?
She don't like it. So, sobrang ano na niya.
See, look, see? Like a mango.
Yeah, come on. Come here. Yeah.
See?
I'm going to upload this.
It's the only thing that's left. Just like a mango.
The seeds.
Look again.
Just only the seeds.
And so it's done. No, put it down in the bag. So it's done. It's like mango.
Don't eat that. That's onion. Oh, what happened?
Sweet like mango too.
Wait. Your Anya.
See? That's the only thing that's left. Sorry. Put it in your mouth. Like you're scared to eat it. Good fiber.
Oh yeah. Good fiber daw, guys. Yummy. Onion daw. Sino onion?
Are you selling?
She said onion, cucumber, tomatoes, cucumbers. Ay! Don't do that. Gumbos? What happened? Again.
Working out, huh?
Good. Oh my God. You're tired? Go, baby. One. Agoy. One. No. Three. Agoy. It's too close. Uh-oh. It's too close. Ah. Kusgan na ay. Kusgan na ay. Are we going to put this in the trunk?
Yeah.
Open then. Gusto naman, nagibalhin naman ni mo. Anak, why you look at her. Pinagsama-sama na niya. Oh, how about the kid that I gave it to you earlier? Natusok. Natusok. Okay guys. Hanggang doon lang yung aming... Ang anak ko, pinagtutulak na naman niya. Bakit mo dinidilad sa araw yan? Dinidilad naman ang anak ko sa araw doon. Dinidilad sa araw. Dinidilad sa araw. Akala mo. Sabi nga na asawa ko, magtitinda ba din siya? Magtitinda daw siya. Tingnan mo. Okay. I know you can do it, anak. I know you can do it. Good. Uy, usa naman na. Iyabon ni mo na. Uy, so strong. Uy. Kusgan ang anak ko ako, guys. Oh, kusgan. Mamaligya siguro ni akong anak ay gipila man. Gipila man. Count na siya, oh. Yay! Yay! Nagka-count yung aking anak. Oy, asa man mo na ibutang, nak? Daltaya. Hamang tagitan.
Walking tree.
Huh?
What's a walking tree?
Yeah, she's the one who did that.
Hold it by the handle. Ooh, you so strong, girl.
Yeah, she is.
You're working for your meal, right? Good.
She's strong. Look at her.
Strong girl.
Yeah, like her daddy. Look at that, oh. Isang kamay lang. Oh, almost. Dalawa na lang. Dalawang tree. That's it. Look at her. Trust me, she's going to say, Hefe, Hefe.
Why are you so strong, girl?
One more, baby. Agoy, kaluoy.
Kalahoy.
Kaluoy taon, kaluoy.
Very good. Good job.
You did a good job, my love. Yay!
You deserve a big meal, huh?
You deserve, yeah. You deserve. Thirsty na siya. Na-thirsty na anak ko. Close down.
You want
Close.
water?
Nauhaw. Why you do that?
Well, no.
Slow.
I didn't do anything. In her nose.
Slowly pod. Ako ginawa. Yung anak ko talaga. Slowly pod na. Malapit ka na matapos. Ha? Okay. Yeah.
2, 3, 5.
Right. Right.
Alright na. Ito, inamoy-amoy pa ng anak
You
ko.
want to go in there too?
Sa inamoy pa ng anak ko. Agoy! Ala! Okay guys, thank you very much for watching our videos. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye ba? Say bye.
Bye, vlog.
Say bye.
Bye, vlog.
Say bye vlog. Uy. Ang among liit. Say bye vlog. I love you.
Bye-bye. Give mommy a
Bye-bye.
kiss.
Mwah, mwah.
Give mommy a kiss.
Love you. Agoy. Agoy, agoy. Agoy. Baby.
Why you fall in the trunk? My fault.